Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And for all my returning subscribers, you already know you are fabulous. Now in today's video, I am going to be continuing my spring decorating series, and I'm going to be taking you all along with me. So without further ado, let's get this party started.
We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends.
In today's video, I am going to be redecorating my hot chocolate / coffee bar for the spring season. As you can see here, I am just refreshing this bunny wreath that I purchased from Target Dollar Spot this year for only $5. And I am using this simple pink and white gingham ribbon that I also purchased this year from my local Dollar Tree. I do give this ribbon a thumbs up because it's a good quality textured ribbon. So now I'm starting with a blank slate. The only thing that I left in place is this night light, and I have cleaned all of my surfaces, so we're going to start decorating. Although I'm redecorating this bar for the spring season, there are some items that I'm going to return to this bar, such as this particular cutting board, and I am going to be switching out my Keurig. I'm replacing the black Keurig with my white Keurig, as you can see here. So here I'm just adding the bottom tray back to the Keurig. So now I am returning this cutting board that I used prior back to my bar. I like using my marble cutting boards on this bar because it makes cleanup so nice and easy. Now I'm adding this marble tray to my bar as well, and this was a recent purchase from my local Ross store. Now that I have all my foundational pieces into place, let's start adding some beautiful decor. Before we start adding the decor, I just wanted to let you see some of the goodies that I am going to be adding to this bar. So now I'm just going to take all of those goodies and add them to my little bunny canisters. In the first canister, I just added in these peanut M&Ms, which are for the spring season. As you can see, they're in the pastel colors. So now I am also adding in those beautiful marshmallows. These pretzels are so delicious. I purchased them from my local Dollar General for only $1. And they are beautiful to decorate with. Okay, you guys, I decided to start over. So I removed all of my canisters, and I've decided that I want to address the wall in the back first, and then I'm going to come back and redecorate this stand. This is a sign that I'm going to attach to my wall, and it's a new purchase from Dollar Tree. Now I have returned my marble tray back into place, and I've decided to add these two larger canisters full of goodies instead of the smaller rabbit canisters. Up next, I am going to be adding a Ray Dunn coffee mug, and here she is. I purchased this mug last year from TJ Maxx on a super clearance. I think it was last year or maybe 2 years ago. I didn't get an opportunity to use it, and I decided to use it this year. So now I'm going to be adding these miniature canisters. One has candy and the other one has brown sugar. I like to use brown sugar in my hot chocolate. Up next, I am going to be using this topiary to add a touch of greenery to this bar. And this is what it looks like. So I decided to relocate my bunny canisters on the right side of my bar. Up next, I am adding this egg-shaped canister to my bar. And here I'm just showing you that this is where I hide my K-cups. For those of you that haven't seen my Valentine's coffee hot chocolate bar, I will leave it in the iCards and go over and take a look at it. Next, I'm going to be adding this adorable mug to my Keurig tray. So now I'm going to add the bunny wreath on this side of the wall. Now for this simple DIY, I took 2 boxwood candle ring holders. I tied them together, and now I'm just going to embellish it a little bit by adding this pink and white gingham ribbon. Ribbon is a great way to add visual interest as well as cohesiveness in any of your decor designs. So now I'm just going to be adding some more layers to this bar by adding my little adorable rabbits. And both of these rabbits are salt and pepper shakers. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I'm also going to be adding this set of salt and pepper shakers as well to create some whimsiness on this bar. Video for today, and I hope that this video inspired you in your own spring decorating. So until the next video, happy decorating. Bye-bye.